Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sallystampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am bringing you my Pretty Prince Blooms box. It is just a very simple box. It's got the gorgeous Pretty Prince DSP and I've used the Honeybee Blooms dies just to create this sort of bit of a fun element to the front of it with some gorgeous ribbon. As I say, it is just a basic box, but it's just decorated ever so nicely and it pulls out the colours in this pretty DSP as well. So let's make it. So I'm going with Blackberry Bliss for this one. So the base of your box is 7 3/4 by 7 3/4, 20 by 20 centimetres, and we're going to score all of our size at 2.5 inches, and that's 6.5 centimetres. All the way around like so. You know the drill, fold and burnish all of these beautiful score lines. I love this colour, it's so deep and rich, isn't it? And we don't use it nearly enough. Okay, basic box time. So cut your wedges. Doesn't matter which way round you do this. I'm doing it because it's quite a well, it's an even sized box, so I quite like to have thickness on all sides. So last one there. Okay, get rid of that, add my adhesive. And then pop these all on here. Get those pegs out. Okay. One like so. And then this one just on there. Leave that to dry. Then for the lid I have this beautiful DSP which is 4 3/4 by 4 3/4, 12 by 12, and I've actually just got some other cardstock here to use as a shim, and we're going to go 1 inch on all 4 sides. So 4 3/4 by 4 3/4, 12 by 12 centimetres. Score all of your sides with a shim at 1 inch or 2.5 centimetres. Okay, fold and burnish. And then repeat with this one, all 4 corners. And then you can just decorate them really however you like, but I quite like the idea of these sort of bits sticking up. So just cut those down like so. And again, where did I put it? Back in with some adhesive. Steal these pegs now because that will be okay, and then again put the pegs on. Might change my Sallystampers to Peg Lady or Stamping Pegs or something. What do you think? Okay, so die cutting then. So I just simply used, as I say, Honeybee Blooms, and I want that one and that one. And I'm going to use some Petal Pink because I think it's lovely, and just run these through. So hopefully I've got room for all of them on here. Yes, I will have. So put those on like so and run this through. and then take those off, and then I just need, so I'll keep that one and this one, and then I just need one more of this one. Just carefully take this out because I don't want it to rip. There we go. And then I'm just going to run this through once more to have that flowery part again. And tap that out there. Get rid of those. And then again, just very carefully tease this out. There's a little dog at my door because it's time to go for a walk, and she's telling me, bless her. Right, so I've got those three elements there. I've got my silver metallic edge cotton ribbon, and to be honest, it's easiest to do once you've got this lid on your box. So pop, ooh, itchy nose, sorry, pop your lid on, being careful not to catch the edges. There we go. So lid on, and then where is it? Seal Plus. I literally just added a little bit to the centre of each side. Get my ribbon, I need a straight edge, and then that's my front here, so I'm just going to go round making sure it's central, and then that can go over there, and then I'm just going to cut that just there. Make a bow out of the ribbon. Just 1 minute, Daisy, good girl. Just make a nice bow like so. It's perhaps just a fraction too big. There we go. Trim those ends again. And then glue dots. So glue dot on the centre just there. You might need a couple just because of the width of the flowers. And then I'm going to put, oh yes, I need to trim the ends. Just trim them off just where that bit sort of joins. So that's going to go there. I think, did I have to trim this completely? But I sort of kept it in where it's meant to be, if that makes any sense. Trim that one, and that sits just there. And then last thing is another glue dot on the back of your bow, and that then sits over the edges, the join of the ribbon, and you can't even tell. And there you go. There is my Pretty Prince Blooms box. Hope you like them. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.